it's time to move on in a new chapter in my life. So the first thing was first, had to load up my RV, get it all ready to go. So I had some stuff in storage, but the rest of the stuff was here in my RV. So my RV was kind of stuffed and packed, and I still have to figure out how to organize everything. That's still going to be a process, and we'll talk about that in some upcoming episodes. But the first thing was just to get into the RV and do it on a regular basis. Hey everybody, David aka RV Jedeye. Welcome to Semi Full-Time, the story about how I lost my job, sold my house, searched for a new job, and live semi full-time, although it is full-time now, in my RV. Hey, just a quick reminder, if you're liking this content, please click and subscribe, hit that bell notification so that whenever a new video comes your way, you'll be notified. This episode, we're going to talk about some numbers and go over what it actually costs me to RV on a regular basis. What I did this month is I took a look at a full month out on the road for me, and that is September. And I broke down all of the numbers and kind of grouped them to come up with what I was spending for the month. It's the first time I really sat down and looked at all of the numbers, and as long as I'm out on the road, I'm going to have to trim some of these. For the most part, this is an unabashed look at what it cost for me to RV semi-full-time, or in this case, full-time on the road. So the house is gone. It is now full-time in my RV, so let's take a look at these numbers right now. So the first set of numbers I'm calling the RV stuff. That includes the cost for my RV, because I pay on that on a monthly basis, RV storage. It also has RV insurance, and in this case I also had to pay my tags in the month of September. So that total number for 1 month in September was $642. The next number we're going to take a look at is gas. How much gas I used for the month of September getting around, and that total was $225. My strategy, again, basically staying at state parks and moving every 2 weeks or so. After that, it's the overall cost of staying in state parks. I usually don't pay more than about $30 per night if I'm going to spend that much on a state park. I try to stay below that. And so that total number is $657 for that month, September. The next set of numbers we're going to take a look at are for groceries and doing laundry. This again for the entire month of September. That total for me was $290. And then the final number I'm going to take a look at is for the use of internet, my cell phone, and streaming. All of those things that I use on a regular basis. That total comes down to $473. So the grand total for everything, drum roll please, $2,287 for 1 month. That's the month of September. Now again, this is the first month that I kind of really looked at everything. I'm going to make some changes as I move forward to try and trim that number down. I included all of the things that I use while I'm out on the road. I didn't factor in storage because I do have some storage in Tallahassee, so I kept that number out. But for the most part, this is what I'm doing on the road and the cost for me out on the road. Now the number was a little bit alarming to me. You know, if you look at it over an entire year, staying on that pace, the total would be about $27,444. That's give or take, you know, some dollars and cents here, and that didn't factor in if I had, you know, some major emergencies or anything like that. So $27,444 to RV full-time for a year for me, based on the dollars and cents in September. That would be my cost. So over the next couple of months, I'm really going to try and tighten that up and get that down a bit. I think I can, but for me right now, that's what I'm working on. You can see the full breakdown of the numbers over on RVJedeye.com. I'll have a link there to how I broke everything down so you can get a better sense of everything. But, you know, this is my breakdown of it. It's going to vary for different folks, especially if you own own your own RV and you don't have that cost of having to pay on it on a regular basis. So that's going to do it for me. That's my numbers, and I'm sharing them with you. Over the next couple of episodes, we're going to talk about reorganizing this RV and getting it more comfortable, and shedding some of the RV weight that I have in here. There were a lot of things when I first got into RVing I thought I had to have, and it turns out, no, don't really need them. So I'm going to give those away to charity and just kind of reorganize everything. So that'll be coming up in the next couple of videos. Again, thanks for watching me. You can watch me all over and get all information on social media at RV Jedeye. And then, of course, you can follow my blog at rvjedeye.com. Don't forget, new semi full-time here every Thursday. Those are new episodes. And then on Monday, my regular channel on RV Jedeye on YouTube. You're going to have all of those videos about me camping, exploring new parks, and all of those things like that. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a great day. We'll see you next time.